Do you want to download and install BlueStacks on your Windows 11 PC or laptop to play Android games and use Android apps? Let's do it fast. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to install BlueStacks Emulator on Windows 11 in less than 2 minutes. First, open Google and search for BlueStacks download. Now open the official BlueStacks website. Here, click the Download BlueStacks button and your download will start. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where the installer setup was downloaded. Now right-click on the setup file and click Run as Administrator. Here you can change the installation location by clicking the Change button. Select the folder where you want to install BlueStacks. For now, I will leave it at the default location. Now click Agree and install. BlueStacks will start downloading the required files. This may take around 10 to 20 minutes, depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will launch automatically. It may take a little time on the first startup. As you can see, BlueStacks Emulator has launched successfully. Now you can search for your favorite games and install any game you want. To go to the home screen, click the Home icon. Here, click on System Apps. You will see Settings and the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and then you can download Android apps and games directly on your Windows 11 PC. That's it! We have successfully installed BlueStacks on Windows 11. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.